This is how we flip the power switch. And now you can see how this works correctly. If you are already tired of manually adjusting the temperature of your house with your conventional thermostat, here I bring you how to change the thermostat. For a smart one, you can buy it on Amazon or on Mercado Libre. With this thermostat, you are going to be able to save up to 20% energy. This is going to be for a conventional boiler, or even if you have a heat pump or heat pump. I am also going to teach you to identify the C wire and how to configure the auto mode so that your house is always comfortable. Lower the breaker of your house always before working with electricity. Here what you can see is that the red wire is the one that feeds 24 volts in alternating current, both to the heating and to the air conditioning. That is why it arrives at RH and then makes a bridge to RC. The white is the heating, the yellow is the air conditioning, and the green is from the fan. To not have problems, take a photo of it and label the wires before making any type of disconnection. If your house has 4 wires, you are going to need this type of adapter to be able to connect your new smart thermostat. It is vital to identify first if we have a conventional boiler or a heat pump. If you see a white wire connected in W, as in this case, you have a conventional boiler. If you see wires in OB, you have a heat pump. This is going to indicate to the equipment if it has to cool or heat the environment. It is like the reversing valve in hot-cold air conditioners. If you have an old house, surely you will have a workshop-type cable of only 4 wires, as seen here. Now, if your house is already newer, you are going to have a workshop-type cable of 5 wires, yes. So, here the first thing that we are going to do is disconnect the base. No, better not. Better we are going to leave it like this, and we are going to start disconnecting the wires one by one. In this case, there is no problem, because white is connected in W, which means white, the yellow in yellow. The green is connected in green, and the red in red. Here there is a little bridge between the two, as I was telling you. In the case that it is not connected exactly as such, what you have to do is mark the wires, remember, as I had told you at the beginning, or if not, take a photo of it, so that you remember how the wires were connected. Well, with a screwdriver we remove the wires one by one, and here you can see how the 4 wires are and the 5th, if it is tucked in the back. This would be the wire that goes to the C connector of your new smart thermostat. This smart thermostat, you can buy it in the description of the video. If you are from Argentina, this new thermostat, what it has is that it does not screw in, yes, already by placing the tips inside. They remain adjusted automatically, yes. The red goes in red, white in white, the green in green, which are, there are only the initials of our thing, of our thermostat. The yellow would go to yellow. There it is. If you want, you can cut the tips a little bit so that they do not stay so far out. And the type C wire or the C wire, yes, is the one that was hidden, is the one that is going to go in the C terminal. There it is, there it is. It remains perfectly installed. And we close the cover and that is it. Make sure to have connected air conditioning, fan, heating, power, and the famous C wire. Well, friends, already here finishing installing the new smart thermostat. You will see that it has all the pins that go connected in the wall, this. And besides it has the code with which you are going to need to install the Alexa application on your mobile device. Yes. So with just scanning the code, also you can obtain that QR code. Also, you can obtain the code. Yes, to connect your mobile device. The famous C wire, what it does is, bring the energy to this device, since this, being smart, needs constant energy to be connected continuously to the Wi-Fi of the house. Yes. Unlike the old device, this one has batteries. Since it has very few functions, so it feeds through battery. Compared with this new one, it feeds by means of a wire, and it has to have constantly power. Remember that this power is 24 volts. That is what our C wire gives us. So what was that? It is already installed. Look how it looks, very pretty. It seems that it has nothing, buttons, nothing. But the screen is touch. So once it is already installed, now yes, we flip the power switch, and now you can see how this device works correctly. Now what remains for us now is only, once turned on, integrate it into our Alexa application on our cell phone. So the first thing that we are going to do is open our Alexa application. We press on the bottom part where it says devices, yes. Now to add it, we have to go to the top right and press on plus. There is the little arrow indicating where, and we add device. We press add device. There it asks us what type of device you want to configure, and we put thermostat, yes. What brand is it? It is from the Amazon brand, in this case, yes. And there it asks us if the thermostat is installed on the wall. We must put yes, because we already installed it previously. It asks us if the thermostat turned on the display. We put yes also. And now, in this case, we must place the code that you scan from the QR, or the one that was on the device. Then we accept all the conditions that it asks of us. We press on next. Here it asks you to scan the barcode. Remember that it was on the device, or it is also in the instruction manual. There you scan the code, and Amazon already starts searching through the internet. This says it can take a minute, but it can take more. Yes, wait for it too. Or 3 minutes more, or less until it finds your Wi-Fi network and connects directly. In the checklist, we must mark the cables that we have connected. Yes, they are 5 cables. Remember that now you have 5 cables to connect, yellow, green. The C cable, W and R, we put it to next. It says if you are sure that those are the cables, we put yes. Then here what it asks us is, do we have vents in our house? Yes. Already all the houses, or most have both in the floor, as in the ceiling, or in some of the places, and then we press yes. Here what it asks us is, what type of fuel it uses, if it is natural gas, electric or oil. We are going to put electric, because it is the one we have. Well, now yes, we are going to test it. We are going to see if it works. For that we have to make sure that the only thermostat that is turned on is this new one we installed. If there is another in the house turned on, we must turn it off and we press next. When we press next, the system is going to ask us if the heating system turned on, yes. If you hear that it has turned on, then you press yes. That yes, you give it yes. Now what it asks you is if the fan turned on. So you should hear if the fan turned on, then you put yes. How do you want to control the device? It asks you if Alexa wants to control automatically, or if you want to configure this option later. Here you can put what you want. If you want, you put later. And well, now yes, the thermostat is already ready to be able to use it. So we reached the end of this. Well, look, now it is off. So if I want it to turn on, I press there where it says off. And there it asks me what I want to turn on. Yes. Heating, air conditioning, or automatic mode. Air conditioning to test. If the air conditioning works, there it shows me the current temperature in degrees Fahrenheit. If you are in the United States, you are going to have that. If you are in Argentina, you are going to have degrees Celsius, yes. And there it gives you the current temperature, which is 76 Fahrenheit. So we lower it a little bit to 70 degrees Celsius. Well, here it gives you, we put heating mode. Also, it is going to tell us the current temperature, which is 76 degrees Fahrenheit, yes. And there we can increase, if we want, the temperature to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. If we are in the United States, as I was telling you, in the United States temperatures are measured in degrees Fahrenheit. This you can change, or also you can leave it in automatic mode. Well, people, here I leave you, so that you continue testing your new thermostat. Subscribe for more energy-saving tips. Energy in the smart home.